In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footnote in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to provide additional information or cite a source directly within your document, footnotes are a great way to do just that without cluttering up your main text. So, let's take a closer look at how you can easily accomplish this. First, open your Google Doc where you'd like to insert the footnote. You might already have a document in mind, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Now, find the piece of text where you wish to add the footnote, a sentence, a specific datum, or any chunk of information that would benefit from a footnote for clarity or citation. Once you've identified the spot, place your cursor there. It's a simple yet crucial step. Positioning the cursor correctly ensures that the footnote is referenced in the correct part of your text and maintains a logical flow of information. Next, we move on to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Look for the menu labeled Insert. It's a hub of useful features, and here lies the option we need. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. As you scroll through the options, you'll see one labeled Footnote. By selecting Footnote, Google Docs does something quite nifty. It places a superscript number right where your cursor is in the text. It automatically marks it, letting readers know there's more detail to be found at the bottom of the page. You'll notice that after inserting the footnote, your cursor is automatically navigated to the bottom of the page, ready for you to type your additional details. This is where you type the content of your footnote. Whether it's a citation, an additional note, or a clarification, you can input this information now. Take care to make it concise yet comprehensive, ensuring readers get valuable insights without feeling overwhelmed. Before you finish, here are a couple of tips to keep in mind. If you have multiple footnotes throughout your document, Google Docs will automatically number them in sequence, requiring no extra effort from you. Additionally, if you ever need to edit or remove a footnote, simply go back into the main text and make your changes. Google Docs will handle the rest, keeping everything organized and professional. And there you have it. Simple, clean, and efficient. Adding footnotes in Google Docs not only enhances the quality of your document, but also ensures that all supplementary information is readily accessible and neatly organized. Whether for academic essays, professional reports, or any detailed writing endeavor, footnotes are a powerful tool at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in employing footnotes in your own documents.